Welcome back, everybody. My name is Jake Gallen here with Emblem Vault, and I'm going to show you how to purchase a counterparty in Bitcoin asset on OpenSea. So here we are on OpenSea. You're going to come in and you're going to type in Emblem Vault. Make sure that it's the one with 30,000 items. There are some fake ones down here. This one is also legit on Polygon, but we're going to choose Ethereum. And because there's 30,000 assets, you're going to have to sort these because there's multiple blockchains here. There's Counterparty, Doge Party, Namecoin, Monocoin. There's a handful of them. So in order to look up all of them at one time, you could type in all down here, and it takes a second to load in space XCP, which is all the counterparty. You can see it's 11% of all of the Emblem Vault assets. And there's a lot of counterparty assets. There's Rare Pepes here, you could see. There's Spells of Genesis, Sarutobi. There's Memory Chain. There's so many kinds out here. And the best way to do this is you could just type in something like Spells of Genesis, and it should pop up. You're going to have to cross that one out. And then you'll get all of the Spells of Genesis assets that pop up. See? So it's simple like that. We do have some new features coming out soon that'll upgrade that. And the simple way to do it is you just click here, and you're going to want to make sure that this asset is exactly what it says to be. So Cyclops card, right, is what it's claiming to be. Come down here. There's some good signs, right? Unclaimed is what you want to see. And then you're going to click on these two. First, we're going to check the contents of the vault. And as we see here, Cyclops card, make sure it's spelled exactly the same as that. We're going to come down and we're going to see it says Cyclops card. You could even press view NFT and it'll show you exactly the front page of what it is. This is an official card of the Spells of Genesis project. And then we're going to go back to the main page and we're going to click on the XCP Explorer and it'll show you this specific one here in this specific address. And you can even see the address right here is 17 and it ends in a YS. And we could come back. We're going to have to go back to the vault. And you can come down here and make sure you see it's exactly the same as it says up there. So now that we've verified the contents, we know exactly what's here. You could come in, hit add cart, and you could choose one of these, come in, complete your purchase, and then you're off to the races. I'm not going to buy this one, but for the sake of it, you just come in, hit confirm, and now you've just bought your counterparty asset on OpenSea.